In this video, we'll be telling about how to change your public Instagram account to private Instagram account. For this, first what we need to do is open your Instagram application. After opening Instagram application, down here you can see your profile button. Click on this profile button. When you are clicking on that, above you can see 3 lines. Click on these 3 lines. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option, settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, when you are scrolling down, you can see one option, account privacy. Click on this option. Here you can see one option, private account. By default, this is turned off. You need to turn this on. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option, switch to private. Click on this, switch to private. When you are clicking on that, private account option will be turned on. After this, your account will be private account. That means if anyone wants to follow you, only if you are accepting their request, they can follow you. If they are following, only they can see your photos, videos, etc. And one more thing is that if your account is professional account, you cannot do this. Your account should be personal account to make it private. If your account is business account, what you can do is go back. In this settings page, down here you can see one option, account type and tools. Click on this option, and when you are clicking on that, in this page you can see one option to change your account to personal account. Here it is showing switch to professional account because my account is already personal account. After that, by going to account privacy, you can change your Instagram account to private account. So this way you can change your public Instagram account to private Instagram account. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.